Good morning, everybody. No intro today, straight to it. Who's here? Who's here and who's not here? A little early for a Monday, huh? Let me put my gappers PLRX. Hold on, I need a. Good morning, Morte. Where have you been? Where'd you go? I feel like a lot of people went on vacation pretty recently. That happened a lot. Like, a lot of people came back and they're like, I'm back. I was like, where'd you go? And they're like, vacation. Oh my gosh. A vacay as well. California, see some family. Nice. Okay, that light through the window is like hitting my eye exactly. Yeah, that we're all gonna wait for Wednesday to happen, so. But we might get a few plays here and there in these small caps. CLVS is breaking downtrend from all of Friday and post market pre market. Y'all see this? How do y'all like CLVS for a swing play? For a rebound today. This doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad, right? All right, Monday. It's Monday, guys. Everybody needs to wake up because I'm sleepy. Jess Bronson needs some coffee. There we go. Blair, good morning. Ape Trace, good morning. Zach, good morning. You rich mofo. Hey, Ape Trace, I appreciate you sending that text last night. I'm not the best hype man or whatever, but appreciate you doing that. Now let's actually make some money today. Let's actually make some money today now. The gappers don't look bad. I haven't looked at all of them, but I see it. Man, I missed my entry at 14 on PLRX. It only dipped to 1409. PLRX. Oh yeah, I have. I haven't gone through the gappers. That's the number one gapper. Timothy on YouTube. Good morning, man. All right, so PLRX number one. Oh my goodness. I got room to $18. I got room to. Let's see what else we got here. $10. Oh wait, no, we're already at 15.24. Yeah, room to $16. 17.50, 18. It's got room. It's got room. This one has room. Big squeeze here for sure. High today is 1524. Next target 16 and then 17. This one is moving so fast you probably don't even look at the 50s. Like it's 16 straight to 17 almost. But this one is going to be moving fast. So this is one of those that I like to say be careful with your position sizes, because if you take the usual position size on this one, it's going to hurt a little bit more. PLRX. And it does have a pretty steep uptrend, so I am not sure that I am a fan of that. Especially when it's literally getting trapped right before pre-market, so oil stocks are going to be hot today. Andrew, everyone is watching it. We got it, Andrew. We got it. Ape Trades. Thanks for the chat on Discord, bro. Early to the short. Yeah, appreciate that. Appreciate that. You can do it. You can do it. All right, let's see. We got PLRX is number one stock. Has that steep uptrend, but we're already at the point of that flat top and this steep uptrend here going into market open. So I don't know that I like that as much. TLBT is my number two gapper, high of $3.12. This one doesn't look bad either, so I'm gonna put it on my side chart. Number two stock to be watching. This one moved through $3, $5, $4. Seems like I already had it marked, so I just don't remember trading this one. So maybe not recently, but I've had it before. So we can see if this one gets over VWAP, gets an attempt to hold $3 right here, right below 312, holds $3, attempts $3 back up to 312 new high. INN, this one for sure we did trade recently. Okay, this is the one that spiked up once, twice, and we never got a good run up. So first day went from 1 to 2.6, and then from 2 to 2.8, and then today. So we've never gotten a $3 touch on this one, which is right there, and somehow we cannot get over it. So that would be the place to be watching this one. 287 is our. Looks more like 287. 287 is our high on this one. 280 is our pre-market high, and $3 we have never hit. So let's see if that happens. TH over 8. Oh, I have an alert on TH as well. Yeah, we also didn't hit $8 on Friday on this one. We hit 797. So this is a play that I have an alert at 779 just to see if it starts getting volume and momentum and people start watching, and then I'll get my alert. Alright, let's see what else do we have. That was N. We got FHUN, Fun, which this stock I feel like I've traded a lot before. Maybe not recently, but like last year and stuff like that. I feel like this stock was hot. Yep, it has a high of 24 and it's down to $1.74. Smitty, good morning, Smitty. What's up? How was everybody's weekend? What did everybody do this weekend this time? And you guys better tell me something. Something fun, something boring, something nothing. What you guys do? I'll start the trend. I went out and played pickleball for the first time. I mean, I kind of played before. I like homemade courts where people made it in the driveway and kind of just hit around. I think I went to Chicken and Pickle Ones, which is a restaurant. They have pickleballs, but I never really played it. This one was actually like a Saturday thing with like a bunch of people that actually play the sport. I said to her, I went fishing. Did you catch anything? Hey, good morning, Jesse. You laid around finally. No fishing for you, Jesse? I said, what'd you catch, man? Let me know. So I played pickleball on Saturday, and obviously I played tennis. I used to play tennis, and I was pretty decent. So pickleball is kind of like similar. So I was coming into this pickleball thing thinking, oh, I'm gonna dominate or at least be towards the top and do pretty good, right? And some of these people, they're like insane. It was like a 40, 50-year-old lady that she had her reflexes were like insane. Private pond, more like a lake. Hell yes, bass. Awesome. Did you catch a good one or no? Fun has lower volume, but I'll watch it over VWAP, see if it goes over VWAP, holds VWAP, and then MULN is the last one. Also looks the same. High of 141, low volume, but I mean we might get something. So I am watching PLRX number one, which is already gonna rally off. I don't know what the actual high on this one can be though. I mean I have a high of $28 on the daily. It's the bad thing about these. Like this is the daily on PLRX. Like yeah, we're somewhere in here already. So where did we stop? I mean, we got here. We got look like 1740s pretty strong. After that, we go all the way up to 20s. After that, we could go all the way up to 23, and then 23 to 27, 28. I don't know, man. I don't know. So PLRX, we got. Oh, CLVS did break downtrend, so I'm gonna put an alert on CLVS and see if that one wants to break that downtrend and hold it. So kind of holding this 2.7 and then get over 2.7 and hold that downtrend, maybe. What are the oil stocks? Isn't DWAC going to be a common one because of? Oh, this one's already kind of spiking. This is a stock that went from $9 to 175. The trader new here. Welcome in. Welcome in. First time here. Everybody, welcome in the trader. Let me see. What was the message before? Morte. Way too short. Cut and trim some trees in my backyard. They're going to be tearing it up and working on it all week long. New fence and new grass and some improvements. I'll share some before and after pics once it's all done. Awesome. Awesome job, Morte. You went out and checked some lands to buy in North Florida. Kirian is in here. Awesome. Oh, Ape Trace. My wife passed her exams and got licensed as a nursing home administrator for Louisiana. Nice, nice. Smitty just grinded some YouTube videos and went over charts. YouTube videos? You gotta show us your YouTube, man. You support me, I gotta support you. You gotta post your YouTube stuff. Let us know what it is. Mersa, good morning. The trader, welcome in. Any questions you got, let us know. Let's see. Desperanza, fun is just a lone mover. Jofi, good morning, Jofi. DWAC is a Trump stock. Okay, okay, okay. Desperanza, DWAC, MULN. Okay. Joey, good morning. Oh, you just watch videos. I thought you were grinding some. I thought you were grinding some, posting some videos or something. I was like, I don't care if it's stock. I don't care if it's anything. I'll check it out. But never mind. All right. So top stock to watch. PLRX. Dangerous? Heck yes. Risky? Heck yes. After that, TLBT. After that, IINN. After that, fun. Maybe maybe MULN or maybe CLVS. Breaking this downtrend right here. This is the one that I like to see right here. Break this downtrend of yesterday and all post-market, pre-market. Hold this 2.7 low and then make its way back up to $3. We got a little bit over a minute left until market opens, so bro, you got a lot more people here in chat now. Good job. Okay. Appreciate it, Kieran. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's slowly growing. I haven't been able to advertise it because I'm still focused on other things, but I am so close to finishing. I think a week or 2 weeks more and I'm done. And then after that, I'm gonna start like either going live on TikTok as well, doing like weekend YouTube chats, like Q&As, all that stuff. So you can get more people in here and help. Andres, you're back, Andres. Where have you been? Andres, where have you been, man? And also Usea. Usea, the stock that likes to pump during pre-market, post-market, and then dump during market hours. Yeah, that one. Pumps, dumps, pumps, dumps, dumps. Ooh, maybe a pump this time. Break the system. So PLRX, I'm gonna take a look at PLRX, but I honestly don't know where to jump in on this stock. Let's just see how it behaves. I mean, I might even see if it drops, if it let it pulls back, or let it pull back into this uptrend trend line and see if it wants to hold that. But I don't know, man. All right, we're live. We're live. Nice. Thoughts on TBLT? TBLT. TBLT getting up over VWAP, hold VWAP, and then an attempt to hold 3. Get up to $3. Alright, so here's PLRX. Of course, is going to try to do this first 1 minute candle squeeze, but it's going to fail. By the way, guys, I had that open put spread on Tesla on Friday, and I got so lucky because it literally pulled back. I got my profit on that trade, and then after hours it rallied because of the whole Twitter thing. So still watching for now. I got eyes on PLRX. Held that level really good. Wow, PLRX is just gonna squeeze like this. Getting an alert. Getting an alert for TH. PLRX. Oh my gosh. It's halted. I'm gonna go look at TH. TH wants the $8 break as well. I don't know if I should jump in right here before $8. Well, I should have. Sympathy play to PLRX. Witsy, welcome in, welcome in. Another new person. Appreciate you coming in here. Let me know any questions you have. Chat will answer. If not, I will answer. And let's try to make some money together. So PLRX already squeezed off the open. Crazy play there. Looking at TH now, seeing if there was a sympathy play here to get that squeeze through $8, but it already happened. I also missed this one. Crazy move on PLRX. I saw it open and it Candle went green and then went red all the way down, but held at $16. So anybody did catch that trade? I was not able to jump in on it. Kyrian took some. Awesome, Kyrian. Go back to bed now. You always do this. Kieran's ready to go back to bed. Watching TBLT to hold VWAP. Vero is up today. Let me put alerts on PLRX for the resumption. So an alert there and an alert below. I always do this so I know exactly when it'll comes on halted. TBLT is trying. Okay, I missed that trade too. Trying to hold VWAP right there. Let's keep watching and see if TBLT wants to hold this VWAP. And then TH also. TH looks like now TH struggling with $8, so be careful there. And then this stock I'd want it to hold. It's 2.8. But at this one, this stock needs to start rallying up here. It needs to take off. It needs to start taking out shorts. Otherwise, they're just piling up right there at 287. So 0 trades for me right now. No trades yet. I missed that. Seeing if this one wants to pull back down to that VWAP, and I'll take a stab at it. I'm going to get in here, see, let it pull back, and then re-add on this one down at VWAP. Now I see the buyers, but I'm already in pretty red territory on this trade. Yep. How was that a $500 loss that fast, man? Frick. RDHL. Trying to buy support and pullbacks, and it just returns on me. No, RDHL is too low volume. So I already took a decent sized loss on TBLT, trying to buy that pullback here at VWAP, and it just faded down through me. But I'm gonna keep an eye on it again and see if this one wants to open up. I didn't even think I had that much precision to hurt me that bad, but okay. PLRX halted at 8:31 and it's 8:35, so 36 is 5 minutes. This one might be unhalting pretty soon. Good morning, Crypto IR. See your message on YouTube. Good morning, good morning. Keeping an eye on PLRX for the halt resumption, maybe right here. And then TH is still rallying. Looking at PLRX to see if it wants to resume anytime soon here. At 39, maybe 36, 39 is where it got halted. There, it's live. Oh my gosh. Just seeing if this one wants to rally again with all this buying pressure back up to 20. Very small share size here. See if it wants to rally back up. Nope. A lot of buyers stepping up here to seeing if they want to rally back up. I'll put my stop below it. I think I'm going to get stopped out. Yep. I thought this level here would hold as support, and I'm already down another 500 on this stock. Holy crap. Oh, Mondays are my best day, and what's happening today? This is the retest of this halt, though, so I would expect this to hold a little bit. I even want to just take some dip trades here. I'll take some dip trades here, stab, see if it wants to crawl all the way back up. I got something in my eye and I cannot see. I want to see if this stock wants to rip up out of nowhere again, but now we're underneath that level here, so waiting to see if this holds, reclaims it, kind of like that. But really start taking them out. Yep, there we go. And now see if you go all the way back up to $20. Actually, hold 19 first. I didn't realize we were even below 19 already, so. Spiking up still. Can we get over 19 here? Had a pretty good ad down there. There we go, over 19 here. I'll take some out there at 19. 19 something. Maybe small dip here for people to re-add and get back over 19, possibly. Holding this pullback here. People might even be adding right there for the reclaim of 19 to get back over 19. Welcome in, DXB Jamie. DXB Jamie, welcome in, welcome in. Currently sitting at a red day already, so I was down 500 on this stock, currently in 300 shares, still waiting to see if we get the break of 19 again. Not a good start to the week, man. Not a good start to the week. Took $500 loss on TBLT real quick. I don't know how that happened so fast. And then currently holding this one here still. Waiting to see if we reclaim 19 and then push back up. Here we go. This candle should maybe open up a little bit. I got 300 shares left on PRX. It doesn't want to at all. I'm going to stop out. So down to $300 loss on this one. If it pulls back down again, might try to get another restab down there. Back at this support over here. I don't know if I'm rushing some of these trades or not, but TH curling back up. Maybe I forced the first ad, but TH is curling back up, trying to reclaim $8 again. So watching TH as well on the side. It looks a little bit lower volume, but it's still holding up above $8 a little bit. This has found a strong support right there at 851. Here's $19 again. There's $19 again on PLRX. $19 is going to hold to the penny there. Momentum scanner is not showing anything but Yang, so I'm going to quickly take a look at that one. I don't think it's going to be, nope. So still looking at PLRX, $19 break. Maybe TBLT that is curling back up. That's the one I just lost money on TBLT, so waiting to see if that one wants to grow back up. And then PLRX, if it breaks 9, kind of like that, but has to hold 9. And then TH over $8. Oh, somebody was calling out RDHL, and the RDHL is going off. There goes PLRX. That's a nice. This is a nice opening here on PLRX. So it's just, I don't know if this is one of those stocks that just opens up, makes a spike, and then pulls back down. Wow, a lot of volume on this stock. I'll take a dip here, maybe if it wants to reclaim this level up here. There was a lot of buying pressure, and I don't think this is going to work either. I'm going to take that quick loss before it fades down. But I'll take that re-add lower maybe. Not that low, that is too much. That is not a pullback that I want to get in here. Juan Trades, I watched lots of Ross Cameron's videos. You mentioned using 10-second, 1 minute, 5 minute daily together in one window is a game changer, as algos must be using the same 10-second chart. Yeah, but today is not working out, man. Today's not working out for me. Yeah, Just Ronsa, good job on that one. You called it. So, still down almost 1,000 already, just today. Just today already looking down like $1,000. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. TH trying to get another 832 high up here. TBLT now is the one curling back up. This is the one that I lost the first $500 on. Heading to this downtrend, so kind of cautious here. Earlier I didn't see it because that's the first pivot, but now I know exactly where it is. Looks like a lot of us are red today. And then PLRX climbs back up. Trip down late. Made recover like $100 there, but I think $20 is gonna hold really strong on that one. And then TLBT, this is what I did earlier. Got over VWAP, pulled back down a VWAP. I took a stab at it right there. The only thing here is maybe it wants to reclaim that trend line or break that trend line. So I want to play this one again. Small share size this time. I think last time I was loaded with 5,000. This one I have 1,500 shares. So very, very small. Sniper trades still at 0 trades. Good job, Sniper trades. And there's PLRX. Trying to hold $20 now. Bro, this stock just doesn't want to do what I want. Bro, what the heck on PLRX? What the heck? Bro, we should be making a killing on this stock right now. We should be making a killing on the stock, and I'm down 355. And then this one again, I retried it right there just to hold and then flush on me. I tried it here to hold flush. I tried it here to hold flush, and then PLRX. Good job, Jofi. Good job. Good job. Zach, you're in this halt on PLRX. Good job, man. Here goes this one again. Here goes this one again. The one that's taking my money today. As soon as I buy it, it tanks. Here we go again. Back to this uptrend line. Trying to reclaim VWAP again and get over this level here. This might be the actual break here. There we go, getting above that trend line here. Was forced in at 29, sold very early 1930, then got back in at 20 and sold at 21.41. That's $1.41 a share. That's really good. Good job. Trying TBLT one more time. Now that we are actually over this trend line, see if this candle wants to hold it, as well as hold this 279 level, and then push back up. If this one flushes down again on me, and I take 3 red trades on this stock, oh, that's going to be terrible. See, when it flushes down on me, I take a $100 loss, and when I'm green on these trades, it's like $25 win. Look at that, $24.75, $25, $12. I got out of that trade. I got out of it. Smitty up 800 on PLRX on halt up. There we go. Good job, man. And it's probably going to open up and go higher again. Good morning, John. Good morning. Here goes TBLT again. Now that I sold my position, here goes TBLT again. What time did PLRX halt this time? Halted at 8:47 and it's 8:50. Been 3 minutes. So PLRX, I mean, strong all day long, so $22 easily there, 23. I mean, this stock is moving fast. I see bids sitting at 26 on this stock. What the heck? And then good thing I cut this time off of TBLT because it pulled back down. You might be able to look it up on the NASDAQ website. I don't know if you can do it on your broker, like on Thinkorswim. I don't know that you can. So, what time did it halt at? 47:26. So it's got about a minute left. And then there goes TH as well. Again, back up to 832, trying to hit a new high of day on TH. 2090, it's opening lower. So yeah. Oh wait. Yeah, NASDAQ trader, yeah. Even this dip here, I saw it and I was like, oh, that's too much. That should have been the dip to buy. Does this one squeeze to another high? What do we think of PLRX, guys? What do we think of PLRX? Another high on this one. Opens up to 22. So candles trying, now that they've found support, resistance there at 28. Yeah, opening lower is not good, but if the momentum's there like that, it could still open up. Dang, Tesla's tanking today. I didn't realize that. After all, I did wish I had those puts. So PLRX has not had a red candle on the 5 minutes yet. So this candle might consolidate down in this area and might be the first red candle. You also have a pretty nice uptrend here. TBLT back up to that trend line, back up to VWAP, man. That's stock. Check VLCN. Hold on. TH trying a new high of day again. I'm gonna put it on my side chart so I can look at it real quick. Wait, VLON. VLCN. Well, I do see VLCN. VLCN does look pretty good. That is a pretty good volume right here. PLRX breaking downtrend here. But will this candle recover all the way back up to $20? This stock, PLRX, recovering all the way back up to $20. Flushed all the way down and then recovered that whole candle all the way back up to $20. VLCN is at a nice little pullback right now, I think, if you wanted to chase for a new high. Bro, I just sold PLRX and then it literally made that move right there. I literally sold it and then it made that move right after. PLRX back up to new high. Look at this. This stock wants another high again. Holding 300 shares here to see if we open up for another high. on PLRX. High of 21.50, break 21.50, maybe $22. Okay. I mean, I recovered those $500 loss. So now sitting at $38 profit on PLRX. Might have sold too early, but with the way I started today, I need to take my profit and get this one back to break even. But I do like VLCN. I do like VLCN holding this low right here of 218. VLCN trying to hold that low of 218 there. And then there goes PLRX again. PLRX is crazy, guys. Talk about a stock with a good move. 18, 7, 16, $15 all the way to 22.5. If you didn't make money on it though, guys, do not be upset. Do not be frustrated. It's part of trading. You'll get stocks like that over and over again. I mean, I'm up on it $38 on a stock that has moved this much. So, it's okay. It's okay, guys. I didn't trade at my best, and I'm sure some of you also didn't. Some of you might have killed it, and that's awesome. But if you didn't, don't be so upset about it. I didn't trade it good. I want VLCN to make a curl back up. Good job, Joe Young. That's exactly what I'm talking about. No need to chase it now if you traded it bad. No need to get upset and jump into another stock to revenge trade. Nope. If you didn't trade it good, just wait for your next stock. Which maybe VLCN can be one. LABD is on my momentum scanner. Thought that was Labu, but it's not. Blair's down 176. I'm also down today, Blair. I'm down my trade on TBLT, which is $600. Well, I guess minus 40, so 500 and something. But VLCN is the stock that I'm looking at next. Tesla pulled back hard. How did Zach? It was Zach that was stuck in a halt on PLRX going up, right? Did you hold through this whole pullback here and then sold up here or no? TH is the other one that hasn't broken this 832 high here, and it wants to. Like, this is 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth attempt at breaking a new high of day on TH. And then PLRX coming back up. Jesus, man. Alright, good job. Good trade still. Zach, good trade. Still made some money on it. Good job. PLRX holding this low here now. Oh, never mind. TBLT is actually still holding lows on TBLT. You can see we're still uptrending and we're still at that VWAP. So if this one wants to open up, it might be one of those that opens up fast and pops up to $3.29, $3, and then $3.12 maybe soon after that. So keep an eye on it, keep an alert on it. But I didn't trade that one the best. That's the one that's killing me today. PLRX is pulling back pretty aggressively this time. So did TBLT. So now I'm watching. Yeah, so now I'm watching VLCN. VLCN consolidating here. The only thing is, if I'm looking at the 5 minutes and wanting to find trades off the 5 minutes, that made a very pretty big hammer candle, inverted hammer candle. So that doesn't look good. But it's still holding that low. It's still holding that low. So maybe just take small share size and see if it wants to curl back up. Ooh, that was a lot of selling pressure there. Let's see if we can get through this selling pressure there. Okay, that looked good. Okay. VLCN might curl all the way back up. Or trying to attempt to curl all the way back up to new highs. Break of downtrend here. VLCN needs volume though. Here we go. I should have gone in already. Small share size. I'll get in small share size. Candle's about to close here. Good close, and then maybe nice little pullback. Keep pulling back maybe. Let's see if we hold this little dip and then pull back up. I have to cut it. I have to cut it, dude. Like that should be the place to open up. Am I doing something wrong, guys? Now it's y'all's time to criticize me. Am I doing something terribly awfully wrong? I need you guys' feedback this time. We all learn from each other. I'm not a professional here. Yes, I do make money. I am consistent, but today, what is happening today? Does that not look like a perfect opening to you guys on VLCN? Break of downtrend, held support 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, held support, break of downtrend, opens up nicely, very good volume, have a nice little pullback, jump in it. As soon as that happens, boom. Like it held VWAP, it consolidated 4 candles, a lot of selling pressure on that candle, recovered it, broke the downtrend, started squeezing back up, small little pullback, and then failed. Bro, I think I'm clicking the wrong button. You're right. Zimoni, I think I should be clicking the other button. It's just easy as that. Oh, dear Lord, man. Yeah, you're right. You're right, Sniper Trades, but... So, PLRX is below that trend line, but this stock has a lot of attention, so this might be one that you draw a trend line this way, and then just watch for that break and start adding down there, because this one might turn around just as fast. What were the news on this one? Because we're going to hear this one for the next couple of days, so... I just don't think this is my year of trading, guys. Like, uh, Last year I was doing so good. This year, yes, I'm still green and making money, but nothing compared to last year, man. Nothing compared to last year. ITRM making a push. Low price though. ITRM. Oh yeah, it's pretty cheap stock. Wow, and then TH, I almost took a trade on TH. Glad I didn't. It hit a new high by 1 penny and turned back around. VLCN received thousands of pre-orders, potential 70 million in revenue. And it's tanking like that? Well, not tanking, but it's not ripping through levels. PLRX, this $20 might be good support on PLRX. If that PLRX news is very good, it will probably spike again at some point. That's what I'm saying. So watch the downtrend on this on PLRX and then really keep an eye on it and then maybe average in at support on this one, break for that downtrend and then curl back up. You don't want to be the guy that gets sent out to the war at the beginning. There's so much uncertainty. You want to be the guy that comes in after the war has started and we have the enemy in the corner and they're about to commit suicide. Hold on, you're a great trader. I think if you learn how to read order flow, you'd be even better and even more consistent than you already are. Order flow, is that like the bookmap thing, or what do you mean by order flow? ITRM is heading up to new high, $36. Sniper trades, you didn't take oh. I used to like the time and sales a lot. I've been trying to use level 2 more, but Thinkorswim is not the best, but I've been trying to use it more, but I will say I didn't use it on any of these trades today. TH curling back up. So, although that's low volume curl back up, never mind. At VLCN immediately just fading. That was the first time this stock opened up. Like, this is just normal rallying. This right here is opening up. Yeah, the book map. Yeah, I've never taken a look at a book map before, so maybe I should. No trade for you, sniper trades. PLRX still wanting to hold at $20 as support though. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles forming the fifth one right now above $20. What is this? 22, 22.56. Level book map. Don't you have to pay for it on Thinkorswim? Don't you have to pay to add it to Thinkorswim? You want to take PLRX at 22.1. See, if you would have taken that 22.01, this spike happened so fast you would have had a red trade, right? But you would have taken it down here. You would have done good. You got to pay for it at all in all brokers. Cleach, only 40 a month, but it's worth it. Andres, you're right about ITRM. But here's the move out of this downtrend on PLRX. Look. Here's that downtrend break on PLRX. Here's the downtrend break on PLRX and see if it wants to do anything. Alright, Juan, traders like us make most of our money within 3 months of the year. We just have to stay consistent, minimize losses, and our time will come. We basically need to be alive. Yeah, that's exactly what I always say too. So if you're breaking even or making small gains, small losses now, then you are doing something good. PLRX wants to run all the way back up. Break of downtrend, one small little pullback. Let's see if this one wants to rally. This is the same trade as VLCN. This is the exact same trade as VLCN. Am I going to go 2 for 2 on this type of trades today? Break of downtrend, one candle, one small pullback, and then keep ripping higher. Bro, I'm going to go 2 for 2 on these type of plays. VLCN just straight up faded. You were right to click the short button on that one. PLRX trying to keep this momentum going, trying to turn back around. Doesn't look as strong. Not nearly as strong at all. Good job, Andres. Good job. Bro, you know what? I'm done. I'm done. Like, today is just so bad. This is the trading when you decide to just call it. I'm done today. That's a big loss. Not a big loss, but a... Whoa, what did I do? Like, if I just stay here all... What did I do? Oh, flexible grid is what I use. This is the frustration you guys need to see of an actual trader and know when to just not trade anymore because otherwise this is the days you wipe your accounts. Very, very bad trading on my end. Oh, well, I guess I thought I was down more, but I'll take 13. I still don't like a $1,300 loss. Here it is, guys. The damage I have done today. No, it's not hard to borrow. Well, I mean, it's hard to borrow, but yeah, but good job, sniper. Not sniper trades, ape trades. Good job, man. I mean, not good job on going red, but good job on controlling the emotions. Saying that's it for us today, and stopping. I'll hang in here a little bit longer. Maybe take a really quality A setup, but other than that, guys, didn't trade the bets. VLC. I mean, actually, I take it back. This trade should not have been a negative $600 trade. It shouldn't have been a red trade at all. Let's see, which other one did I trade? TBLT, same thing. I mean, tried it here. No. Tried it there. Flushed. Tried it. Where did I try it? Maybe there again then. Flushed. Let me see. Oh. Okay, yeah. Tried it 3 times. Tried it up here. Flushed. Tried it here. Flushed. Tried it there. Flushed. 3 for 3 on this one. 3 for 3 on that one. And then VLCN. Tried it here. Flushed. And then PLRX. I mean, PLRX I've been trading all day. This one should have been the big money maker here. And absolutely red on this one. So if you're new here, check 5-minute chart on AS ASRT, ASRT. How do you see these on these super low volume stocks, Andres? Like this to me just like is not moving. I would never have interest in buying it, but I mean I see what you're saying. It's kind of like flat top here and then right there. But like how do you know the volume is going to come in here? And then TH was the other one that I was looking at. TH was the other one that I was looking at, but I didn't take any trades on that one, and now it's going back up to that 8.3 level. But this one never really had the volume. So look at see this is a nice curl. Break of downtrend again on this one. So this is kind of what I was trying on the other ones. Break of downtrend, one nice ring candle to break out of it. That's the pullbacks that I was buying all day long. Right there. Those are the pullbacks I was buying all day long. And then move higher. So that pullback is what I tried on VLCN, and that pullback is what I tried on that other, I don't even know what other stock it was. VLCN and TBLT. Stupid TBLT. Well, Andres, there you go. $3.55. Looks like everybody took their profit real quick, though. Yeah, you were right, though. You set it down here at somewhere at 340s. What do y'all think of PLRX? Hold on, I have way too many lines on this stock. How can I get indicator? Which one? Which indicator are you looking at? Which indicator are you talking about? Sniper trades, no trades for you still? How's everybody else doing? I know Ape Trades was red. I know I'm red. Zach's probably green on those trades from PLRX. Good job trading there. Andres definitely probably green. I think Blair was down $100, I think. One trade, -30. Okay. Okay. What about you, Mersa, and how everybody else? Andres, 1.2 green. Green, let's go. Awesome. Rio trade. Sometimes not taking a trade is the best trade. So, good job on not taking trades today. Under 20 on PLRX bearish and over 20 bullish. Smitty is up 800 on PLRX. That's right. Good job. TBLT, man. TBLT is just annoying me. This one has to just open up fast for me to jump in on it. Look at that. Although this might be the true downturn right there. I would have bought this next candle if this one would have closed above VWAP, but it didn't. But that candle tucked below VWAP. I had one good trade on PLRX, but only made 20 because of market orders. Change all my buns to limit orders. Okay. VRU kept opening up? Okay, a little bit, yeah. I am watching TBLT and seeing if this one does want to open up nice. What is this pivot point here? 287. All of these right here at 282. 301 with stop 285. Area with profit 322, 345. Sniper Trace has sent his order for everybody to look at. VLCN found support at 187, turning back around, but it's too low off the highs on that one. Still watching TBLT. TBLT holding VWAP pretty good now. That's it for me, guys and gals. Have a great day. Getting back in the groove, so just paper trade today. Swinging both ways on PLRX. It was a good call for me today. 497 paper profit. Good job, Morte. Good job, Morte. See you tomorrow, man. TBLT held VWAP pretty good, so it should open up. Yeah, this is hard to borrow stock. And I guess you're saying the locates are pretty expensive, so how is it not opening up? I do see VLCN making a nice little move back up to VWAP at $2 on VLCN. I would be interested in taking a trade on VLCN if it gets back up over $2 VWAP and then starts holding up there. And then PLRX wants to hold 19 as support. I do agree that 20 was kind of the turning point because 20 we couldn't get twice over it. Once we came down, we held it and then went higher, and then we held it once, flushed through it, and then pulling back. Honestly, I don't think TBLT is going to do anything unless TBLT is one of those that spikes up real fast up to 29, 28, just straight up one move candle, surprise squeeze. Then I think people will chase it. Otherwise, I don't think people are going to be buying that much underneath 28, 282, even that 287 mark up here. So this one, Sniper Trade's entry at 3 might be the way to go. ITRM again. Maybe 50 cents on this one. How did AS... I feel like PLRX breaks SMA with volume soon. ITRM is trying to get a next move higher. There it is. You also like VLCN enter 241 VLCN. Oh, 241 above. Okay. PLRX still holding $19. I do like VLC if it gets back up above VWAP. I would like VLC. TBLT, I'm not sure. I mean, I traded that stock 3 or 4 times and took 3 or 4 losses, so. Yeah, see that 46. Tried some over that 42. This is what I'm talking about on TBLT. A one candle move. Break this 282, break this 287. Nope, it doesn't want to. That's why you had to break. That's why you had to go in one candle. VLCN breaking downtrend. VLCN, I think I already had. I mean, to me, it looked like the downtrend was down here. Uptrend line on ITRM. ITRM is going to hold this down here as support as well, it looks like. TBLT recovered off that nice flush pretty well, actually, so that's a good sign on this one. Where it flushed right there and recovered all the way and still closed green, that's actually a pretty good sign. ITRM. Andres, are you buying these pullbacks here at 42 cents on ITRM, or are you waiting for this trend line touch? PLRX flushed under 19 and recovered 19, so that was the support that had gotten stuck at for like 6 candles. So PLRX is going to try to curl back up and then heading for that downtrend as well. ITRM is holding this 42 as support. So 42, and then that uptrend is right there. Here's that uptrend. So is it going to reclaim this uptrend? TBLT is actually holding all of these little pops back down a VWAP. I'm in on ITRM. Try to average in here on this 42, which is what my cost basis is, but it's breaking down, and that is not holding support. Oh dear Lord, man. Do have 7,500 shares, but this stock moves pretty slow, so it's not like popping up 200, 300, 100, $400 losses. So the only thing I'm waiting for this one is for these candles to go back above that trend line. If it doesn't, then I'll stop out. But this looks short. This looks bearish right there. Um, yeah, I took profits. TH new high a day. I took TH off my side charts now. That's the one that has really low volume all day long. And then TBLT faded. VLCN didn't really move after that break of downtrend. It's actually still lower. And then PLRX back down to those $19. So ITRM does have to get over this trend line. Wow, TBLT big fade. Vera wants $15 today. This looks such like a short trade here on ITRM now, so I don't know. Good job, Ape Trades. Good job, Ape. See you tomorrow, man. Once again, thanks for that post and thanks for being in here and supporting. So appreciate you. Pretty bad day for me too, guys. So only thing I'm looking at is if ITRM wants to reclaim that 42 or VLCN gets above VWAP. I don't think I'll trade TBLT or PLRX. VLCN, good volume down there. VLCN, good volume there. VLCN, good volume, breaking through VWAP already. VLCN, I want this one to make a curl all the way back up. ITRM trying to break that 42 cents and hold 42 cents. VLCN and ITRM trying, both of them trying. ITRM, I have 7,500 shares. And I'll put a stop below 40 cents. 40.22. VLCN needs to pick up volume, and this one can rip high. This one can rip high and hit a new high of day if we get up here. And then ITRM is holding that 42 as resistance. Cannot break above 42 on ITRM. PLRX is underneath $19, so it looks even more bearish. ITRM broke this 42. Looking to see if ITRM wants to get over this trend line here. That was the uptrend support, so if we get over it, we get a new high a day on ITRM. Finally, I see some green on my P&L. Cost basis is 42 cents, so it should be good all the way until down there. Seeing if this one still wants to rip up to 45. That would be the high. VLCN turning around at VWAP. This maybe holds as support, 42 cents now. Do we think 42 cents holds as support now? That's what we couldn't get over, so maybe holds as support now. VLCN trying to claim VWAP. I will be. How are the Infidels, Warrior, Deck, and the other gurus doing today? No trade for me. I don't know. I'm streaming, so I can't watch them at the same time. I would have liked if VLCN held VWAP on that first day, but it just fell way far below. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. I mean, it held at 2 candles and it flushed below it and reclaimed it, so it still looks good. There it is. See? But I'm still watching ITRM right now. VLC take out that previous high right before it, 208, and then open up. I just feel like there's lack of volume on that stock. That one and TBLT and also Andres, how did you find ASTR? How did you find ASTR to even take a trade on that one? I just thought about that because it's not a stock with volume and it's not a stock with nah, TBLT looks done to me. But yeah, VLCN definitely does. It's on your old watch list. Okay. So is ITRM. I mean, it was right below its highs and lows. ITRM does not look good. It already took a couple tries to get to new high and didn't. You check ASTR daily. PLRX is still at downtrend. It's heading to that downtrend. So maybe we get the break of that downtrend and break and hold of $19. I'll show you guys in a second. So I'm just watching ITRM, but it's not doing much. So PLRX right here, downtrend and $19. So maybe over that and then hold that one right there. Can return back to $20. VLCN picking up volume now. Back up to that 207, 208 right there. Now start opening up maybe. See, this is a place where volume should still come in either way. It's a break of a pivot here. Oh gosh. Trading ain't easy. Lots of waiting and disappointments. Glad to have this room to connect with other traders. Appreciate you being here and giving us your style of trading and your calls. Look at PLRX. There's a downtrend. I feel like ITRM I'm holding way too long. Look, I'm buying at 42. I'm in at 42 right there. TBLT is done. I think VLCN is done for a good amount of time too. I don't think that one's going to turn back around. Aside from my scanners and other charts, I've always liked to watch Zindo on YouTube and live streams Momo. Awesome. Bro, yes. I miss green. I just miss green in general, like green P&L. Frick. Like, yeah. ITRM, I might be cutting it soon. Unless somehow this volume that just came in here rips up higher and I could just get out of this trade here at some green. Nothing worked today. Nothing absolutely worked today. Like, I don't think I've had a trade over $2,000 in like 2 or 3 months. I don't think I've had a single $2,000 day in like 2 or 3 months, and like that's the reason how I end up having bigger months or bigger weeks because one trade wipes out 3 or 4 bad red days. You're going to Italy for a month. So I cut that ITRM trade and looks like I did the right thing. Now it's flushing back down. This is ridiculous and very annoying, very frustrating. It's days like this where it definitely makes you like after what I've been the last couple of weeks, it definitely makes you question the whole trading and stuff, and it's just down 1400 today. Like, when do I ever trade 4 stocks and go red on 4 stocks? When? And that's the thing that I thought I did, sniper trades. How do I get candlestick indicator? Liberjates, I don't know what you're saying. Um, like, there's no indicator for, like, just open up a chart and you should get candlesticks right away. If you want to trade the way they look, go to style up here and go to chart type, and then you can put candles or candle trend, Heikin-Ashi, line, bars, all of that right there. Oh, sniper traits. I was gonna say I have been there. I have question things. What I'm saying is I feel like I've already downsized all year. Like all year I've been a small share size, and I haven't gotten the ability to scale up again and make the big bucks that I used to be doing. Like I'm having 500 to $1,500 days. Last year was $2,000, $3,000 days every single day. So it's just frustrating. It's very, very frustrating. I think now I'm having the worst though. So the last, well, I guess the last 30 days I'm still up 4,400, but look at all these red days, big red days. Down 1,400 today, down 1,400 that day, down 1,200 that day, and up 1,100 this day. So once these 30 days catch up to here, I'm gonna have about 2 weeks of literally break even. From up 3,500 to 4,400, so up 1,000 in like 2 weeks. RDHL. I even keep thinking several times I should just wake up early and just buy every stock in pre-market like this one. Could have bought it at 10 bucks. TH. Oh, not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. TBLT. First leg up. No, baby, and I'm back and I'm working. Fun. D-Wag. Not D-Wag. You got a good move on ASTR, Andres. From whenever you called it out, 247 all the way to 364, about 20 cents. Good job on that one. He made 3,200. Yeah, they take the way he trades, he buys every green candle and waits for every high and takes it out immediately. So, I mean, good job for him. Crazy. I mean, I went red on this stock. How did I go red on a stock that went from 15 to 22, $7 a share? No, if they, well, they'll be in trouble. Him and Mighty Stocks, they buy and sell so much is ridiculous. If they ever switched to a commission broker, they would be eaten alive. ITRM is trying to break a downtrend. And you said what level to watch? 39. Okay. Yeah, definitely frustrated today. This is definitely a frustrating day. Frustrating trading. ITRM is trying to. Yeah, you're right. You're right, Zamboni. But it's not. It's not that gets me. What gets me is my wins are so small right now, and my losses are bigger. And I can't have a good green days. Like this month, I have a $500 win, a $600 win, and a $400 win, all wiped out pretty much on today. So I'm pretty much break even this month now on July. Or actually, I'm up $800 in July in a week and a half of trading. Oh, that's about a week actually, cause yeah, it's about a week of trading exactly. Cause today takes out Monday of last week that was holiday. So Snapper Trades, thanks for being in here, man. Appreciate it. Good job on not taking any trades today, cause it definitely paid out. I'm gonna wait 10 more minutes, then call it. Okay, 2 red days, 2 red trades. Is that just your first 2 red trades or 2 red days overall? 2 red trades overall all day. UPST has been on my scanner all morning. Oh, ITRM broke. Wow. Good move, ITRM. Without me. I'm gonna chase this ITRM move to a new high. How is it not breaking 44 cents? Ugh. How is it not breaking 44 cents? Oh my gosh, y'all see all of these buy orders and it cannot break 44 cents? What's the ask at? I can't see it because there's pennies in this thing. Just break it already. Go up to 45. There we go. This should have also already squeezed to a new high. 18. How did you 44? It's Here we go. 45 break. New high of day coming in for ITRM. Maybe, maybe not. Debbie, tomorrow another day. You're right, you're right. Yeah, I do take profits really fast. That's another thing that I have noticed, and I've been trying to be patient recently, but it just seemed like every single time I tried to be patient, I never got the next move, and the times that I wasn't patient, it ran up without me. But yeah, I do need to work on that. So I do appreciate you saying that, and then I'll start working on it a little bit better. Bro, hurry up and break, man. ITRM new high of day, but candle is staying below it, so. Don't know what to blow it on. But you are right, Sniper Tracer. I appreciate you for that feedback, and I'm gonna keep an eye on it to see if I can have a little bit better runners. Yeah, that happens to me all the time, Dodge Trader. It's ridiculous. And then today, the dip buys that I bought all flush, and the ones that I didn't buy, and I was like, that's too much of a flush. They recovered. Thank you, David. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, well, I made 50 bucks on this stock, so now I'm not 4 for 4. Now I'm actually green on one of these stocks. And I don't know how much I was down, 60, so I maybe recovered like 100 bucks. Yeah, down to $1,300 lost today. I almost said profit. Maybe I'm so used to saying profit. I thought Twitter would fall apart today, but it's holding up. Oh yeah, with that whole deal. Let's see what the chart looks like. Twitter. Maybe it still will fall apart though. Maybe it's just throwing people off. I guess I don't have a TWTR. I do have it. Oh, Twitter already fell though. Twitter went from $39 down to 33. That's a pretty big move. I think you need to reduce your size and open up your stop loss. I think you go in heavy with shares and you get out quickly. Give the stock enough floor to dance. Yeah. I thought about let me see. I'll try it tomorrow. I'll try it tomorrow because I'll try tomorrow, Sniper Trace. Tomorrow is a new day to try things. That's how we do in the stock market. We always learn. Down 1,200 today now. 1,300 pretty much. Well, I'm out of ITRM. Frick. What do y'all think it'll hit? 50 cents today? Y'all think 50 cents is possible on ITRM? Holding that 44, 45 level of support now. That was a previous resistance. So we held it once, twice. VERU. VRU, somebody mentioned once that $5 and it's looking good so far. Yeah, Tesla is getting crushed. And it sucks though because on Friday I mentioned I wanted to buy puts on Tesla. Even though, oh no, yeah, they still would have worked. That's crazy. If only I would have held it this long, but I took my $50 profit. Oh, frick, I'm so sore. I'm so sore, guys. PLRX broke that downtrend and never really did anything. This could be a stock that if it holds the momentum like this all day long, it'll pick up for power hour. So it's not giving away that 1830 and then it stands around $19 all day long. Whoa, Tesla is like straight up getting crushed. Big nasty flush on ITRM though. That sucks. See, I would have stopped out there no matter what. Just called it a red trade. Would not wait for this one to dance back up. Is that what you would do too on these? Well, I guess your stop might have gone triggered, but Sniper Jets, have you increased your share size then? How many how many shares are you buying? And do you always give yourself 15 cents of well, I guess 15 cents on normal stocks, not like freaking PLRX. But like, let's see. Okay. So you do it based off of profit. That's right. Andres, are you still holding ITRM? All right. Cool. 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 Good job, Andres. I'm about to straight up just follow you two guys' alerts. Like every time you post something, I'm just gonna put 20,000 share max buy right there. Blair's heading out. See you all tomorrow. Appreciate you coming in here, Blair. Bradley, hey Juan, how are you? How are you doing today? I'm doing terrible today. Should be at a decent bounce if Tesla touches 700. I don't know. Well, I mean, I'll expect a bounce on Tesla, but I don't know that I will expect a big bounce up. I think this is going to go back into bears territory and then pull back down again, all the way down, all the way to new lows. See, that is a very aggressive move. If anything, if Tesla was to like rebound up into this trend line of like 724-ish, I would probably even think this is another short back down to 600s. I would think Tesla can go back down to 600s, don't you think? Look at that big sell-off today. But it is good, guys. If you want to put some money in for the long term, wait for all of these pullbacks to come, hit lows, and start buying and accumulating. I mean, there's no surprise to me if market keeps going down. If Tesla goes down to 600s, I would not be surprised. VLCN trying to VWAP touch again. VLCN trying to get back up to VWAP again. This is the stock that 2 times I got in and lost on them. Bradley, I I've been wrong a lot the last few days though. Although I'm down 850 today. Oh, that sucks, Jesse. But you got it. You got it. You got it. You can make it back up. Unlucky man. Tomorrow is a new day. Earlier on in the PM, I was super frustrated because my laptop took ages to turn on and ended up missing the start of PLRX. So just didn't trade at all because I was super frustrated. Hey, that's a good thing though. You knew that you were frustrated and decided not to trade. That is good. There's a lot of people that cannot do that, and those are the people that will not be successful. So good job on you were frustrated without even being part of the market, and you decided to not trade. All right, for example, if I were to risk 300 on ITRM by buying at 44, my stop loss would have been at 41. So I have 3 cents stop, right? Yeah, 10,000 shares I would have bought. I use this method every time. High quality, I risk 400. Low quality, I risk 300. VLCN back up to this VWAP play. Yeah, that makes sense. But let's see. The thing is, I think my entries, the way I trade, doesn't work for that. I think. Because I jumped here, would have still gone stopped out. I jumped in here, would have still gone stopped out. And then I don't know if I traded again. So I have to pick out the trades like you. I jumped in here, would have gone stopped out. Let me see. ITRM. Jumped in here. So risk to reward ratio is 3 cents to the downside at 44. My stop would have been 41, which means my take profit should have at least been 47 to have the same one risk to one return ratio, and it never would have hit. Dang. Also would have been a loss. VLCA needs to get over 208 and hold 208. VLCN has to get over 208. Breaks 208, we can get a move back up to a peer of 2.2s. Yeah, that's also true though, trader. And I think I've already tried. So I usually literally straight up bought breakouts, and that's all I did last year because the market was so hot, everything was working, and that's how I was making the big dollars. Straight up breakouts. Like I would have been buying so high on PLRX, but still that breakout would have gotten me profit every single time. Today I didn't buy a single breakout on PLRX. So I started buying little pullbacks, little dips, little like touches like that, and it paid for it. It didn't pay. It didn't work out today. Those are all of the ones that I stopped out on here, like break it down, trend up, and then stopped out there on this one. Yeah, yeah. So that's what I'm saying. Sniper trades. You wouldn't take those trades. You take the trades a little bit higher. Yeah, nothing's working Dart Trader for me either. So we're on the same boat. I guess we're gonna go fishing together or something. All right, I like it. I like it. You're gonna help me out. So I'm gonna stop out of this one and just call it a red day. I'm not gonna trade anymore. But at least you guys see that even though I am red today, I did not come back in and revenge trade. So it's still taking $1,500, $1,000 share size positions. So nothing that's going to straight up destroy my brokerage account, right? So at least learn from my mentality of at least somebody who does make money and is consistent on the long run, not just because I've had bad 2 weeks. And let me see, I'll show you. Bro, for real, I could have caught some bass today. We could have gone with Isaiah. We could have gone back out fishing with Isaiah and caught some bass today. Do I think CPI will be good or bad on Wednesday? I don't think there's anything good going on in this world right now. Like, name one thing that's going good in this world. Alright, so sniper trade. So, should I adapt my strategy to buy Where the heck did my other sandal go? The way you trade with risk. Oh my god, guys, I am so sore. Okay, VLCN now wants to open up, really? To to that the strategy kind of you do buy, have a certain stop, have a certain take profit, but I think there's two ways to approach it. Either buy the dips like you see this here, put that order right there and then send it, which I think is harder to predict, or in this scenario kind of like you have it way up here, because that, I don't know how you see that, but that to me just looks so risky, man. I mean, I guess your risk to reward is still accurate, but it just seems so risky being so high. Alright, let's see. Morning, y'all. Slept in hella late and opted out of trading today. Looks like I made the right call. Yeah, you did. You did and you didn't. So PLRX had a crazy move, up $7 a share on PLRX. Alright, so here's VLCN opening up. High is 2.3. VLCN wants to open up. VLCN, that next target is 218. I want to see if this one, that was a lot of volume there. That was good volume. Nasty flush. Holy crap. And I thought I had a good dip buy. I honestly don't know that this stock is going to open up, so I'm just going to do this. No. This, and just forget about it. And that's going to be my last trade of the day. Oh my gosh, Agaska. Agaska in for the short on VLCN. Actually, doesn't look bad for a short, honestly. I think I would be more short buys on this one. Alright, let's see snapper trade. You can only apply it to any trading. You can apply it to any trading style as long as you stay consistent. You don't have to change your trading style. License plate. ITRM held at 42 level again. What's my number? My phone number? You want my phone number? You want my digits? You're asking about the P&L loss? Or you want my digits, bro? You want my digits or you want my P&L? How is that another? Oh my god. Who wants my digits? You don't want my digits, man? Papi chulo. I don't know, same thing. I mean, I'm gonna try it out. I'm not gonna go crazy. So I would be willing to risk. I'd be willing to risk the same 300, 400, $500 a day. I'm okay with that. So tomorrow we will try that. So how let me see, Boris Johnson, KSPN. KSPN. What's your account size and what's your risk size? We're literally talking about that I don't really play it like that. I just play the trade, so I don't really risk a certain amount of money into each trade, all of that. I kind of just trade what the market shows me, and whenever I think I need to get out, I get out of it. Alright, I like it. I like it. I'll start it tomorrow. Starting tomorrow. Let's do it. Let's do it, team. We're all doing this. We're all gonna flip this day around. Let me see. Honestly, I don't understand how I'm still green and how I still went green in June and July. I've had pretty bad recent days. I've had one, two, three. I've had 4 days over 1,200 in the last 2 weeks, and I'm still green. This is ridiculous. How long have I been trading? I've been trading for almost 3 years. Almost 3 years. Almost 3 years. There goes VLCN again. Somehow my P&L the first year looked actually really good. I came in. I did a lot of research and stuff into stocks the first 6 to 8 months without a single trade, and then I traded, and then I immediately was profitable like 10, 20, $30 a day for a couple months. But I was able to scale it up to almost 3, 4, 500, almost $1,000 a day within that first year. Do you live by yourself? How old are you? And is trading your only income? Just asking because I'm 20 and I want to trade full time. I do not live by myself. I live with my wife. I'm 24. It is my full income now. I quit my other job not too long ago, but I currently have the application on hold right here to reapply. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not kidding. Yep, that's pretty much it. You also took KSPN? Holy crap! What made you take this trade here? Well, now I see $5. I think his alert was 240, 241 on that one. KSPN definitely picked up volume here. I'm gonna see if this one wants to hold $5 as support. How does it just flush like that, man? 20 seconds left on this candles. If it recovers that wick all the way back up to 5. Oh my gosh, man. The first attempt to hold $5 and it flushes straight through me. Yeah, I'm about to quit this day too after this trade. I'm just seeing if by a miracle it holds these lows. But this is not looking good for me. I even said I was done trading earlier, and I just didn't, and I should have. I mean, I see the volume come in, and it's trying to spike back up to 5, but... Well, why did it do that on my... Ugh, I hate day trading, man! I'm done. I'm getting off, guys. This is when you just call it and get out of here. Ah! And then PLRX starts squeezing, man. Like every dip buy today at support, just a $5 psychological hold number should at least hold a tiny little bit. This is not volume. This right here is volume. This picking up right there through $5, trying to hold $5. The first time you try to hold $5, and you just failed right through it. Oh my god. Down over $2,000 today. I don't know if the loss bothers me more or the terrible trading bothers me more. Here we go, guys. I am all open with you guys. Down 2,100 today. So now definitely my recent. I mean, look at this big old cliff dive right here. Big old jumped off the top of the Eiffel Tower with no parachute right there. From $5,700 in the last 30 days today to being down 36 to being. Look at this red day here. Yeah, my swing trade on Tesla made me 500 on Friday, so I mean, I guess it recoups a little bit of today, but holy crap, man. And the thing is that this one still looks so good to me to take another trade on. Right, especially right now. Look at this. I don't take very many of those. Yeah, 450 was that support, Andres. Did you get it at 450? 501 this time. So your first entry was 373, and then okay, you got in at 550 and not 470. And then Zach got in at 373 and then got big in at 450. And I got in at 5. I mean, about the highest. Paid the price for it. The 450 is what you would short, yeah. I would think break up 450 to the downside. 454, 501 entry. All right, look at this. 501 entry. 485 though, tiny wick down and takes you out right away. VLCN. Yeah, I'm not trading this one. I should not take any more trades today. VLCN, that 208 looks like the level, I think, on VLCN. So this area right here. Oh, frick. So over it, squeezed, bounce, below it, flush, recovered, flush. Resistance, recovered, resistance, up, support a little bit, recovered, resistance, and now resistance. So I think that 208 is the level to watch on that one. This looks better volume in KSPN, maybe 126,000. Already more than that previous one. This right here is very similar to that VLCN trade I took. Break a downtrend, squeezes up, first pullback, and I got flushed on that one, which was a $700 loss that time on that stock. Right here. That's the pullback right there. And the one time I don't take it. If this spikes up to new high and hits $6, the market's just now straight up laughing in my face. VLCN hit that 208 and pulled back a little bit. And then PLRX, that spike up to 20 got rejected pretty fast and back down to 19. So $19 is very strong support on PLRX. Well, it's like dancing, but low 19, up above 19. There goes VLCN. 208 break and you get a nice move. 202 would be the next place here. This one probably had a lot of shorts in this stock for a while. Oh, so disappointed, guys. I just can't stop thinking about how disappointed today was. How you can use a Siri voice with your own custom text? With your own custom text? I don't know. What do you mean by custom text, though? PLRX trying to break this $20 again, and then VLCN trying to break the 2-2. Oh, I see what you're saying. No, I don't know what you're saying. I mean, I get what you're saying now, but I don't know how to do that. I have seen that before. I've seen some people that are like, as soon as they buy or sell, or like, an alert goes off, Siri says something, and it's pretty cool actually. But no, I don't know how to do that. So today, bad day today, down 2,100, almost 2,200 on the day. VLCN again trying. I think blue chips is the way to go for long-term trading. Penny stocks are exhausting to trade. You have to find new stock every day to trade, jump back in and forth. It gives you anxiety. Blue chips, you can trade one stock every day and just babysit it. Yeah, I even think of that all the time right now, especially in this market with these penny stocks. It is pretty annoying. Like, I feel like Tesla today, it was a very clean flag. Or pennant, whatever you want to call this. That just looks so clean right there. KSPN is still held at 4-5 level too, though. Blue chips also follow technical analysis much better. Yeah, because they're not manipulated as much. Maybe they can be, but KSPN wants that $5 again. VLCN cannot get over 2-2, and then PLRX wants $20. VLCN 1 minute chart pennant. I don't think I'm gonna trade anymore. I've had enough. $2,000 my max loss, so I'll stop there. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks traded. Only one green for $50. That has to hurt, not money wise, but just trading wise. Like, how do I go 5 stocks red? 6 stocks. Wait, how many was it? 5 red stocks. That hurts, guys. That hurts me, and today was very disappointing. PLRX is trying to get that $20. Yeah, no, but it's been the last 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, just bad days. Bad red days, bad red day, bad red day, big red day, big red day, big red day. My consistency is making up for it for now, but see, somehow in the month of July, even though we just started July, had a small red day, and then I made 500, 600, 300. But with today's laws, that actually puts me red. Oh, and then I had that swing trade of Tesla, but this is not accurate. I actually have to fix this. VLCN is trying actually again. VLCN. I use TraderView. TraderView. It's like I think it's like $30 a month, but I think it's so worth it. KSPN broke that 4.5. VLCN is at over 2.2, but cannot spike up to a high of 2.3. VLCN's gonna hit a high. There it is. This is a good squeeze. So sniper trade, your order was 241, right? See, I would be so scared to take this trade right there at 241. Yeah, but I'd be so scared to take this trade right here at 241. The short seller's more scared than you. You're right, though. All right, this is good to watch. This is good to watch. Let's see. Let's see. I'd be buying that dip right here at 236, whatever that is. KSPN right back up to 4.5. And break of downtrend on KSPN. This is ridiculous, Sniper Chase. If this works out, I'm gonna freaking poop my pants, man. How? Dang, what song is this? This song is fire. Do y'all know who this guy is? Moray? Y'all know who Moray is? Look up this song. First time I've heard it. This song's fire. Right there. Nothing now. That was a good song. Nothing Now by Moray. Morray. Sniper trades, no fill yet. I'd be buying that 2-3 dip right there. Did you just put the link to the song? I'm about to listen to it again. Yeah, you did. Nice. Good job, Dark Shredder. How do you haven't even heard the whole, like, you literally just posted the link. Sniper trade's not me, although 241 only. VWAP retest, Andres. VWAP retest on what stock? Oh, KSPN. KSPN, yeah. I'm waiting to see if VLCN plays out. 241 entry. I missed a minute 30 into the song. That was a good song. Never heard it before. What's your take profit on this trade, Sniper Trades? What's your take profit and your stop loss on this one? 241. Stop loss 15 cents below that to 30.25. Giving some room for the stock to do its little dancey dance. Little dancey dance. Oh, 334. Dang, that's a tight stop. Oh, it's because your profit target is smaller on this one. 253. Yeah, no, I got it. Oh, filled. Stopped. I already think this 1 minute candle looks pretty bad though. I know your trades are good and stuff, but this one's not gonna work out. I don't think, especially because look at this downtrend, and that red candle spiked and closed below it. Good try though. Good try. 250 was the next level, so if it would have kept holding, that 250 would have broken. KSPN wants to break VWAP and retest VWAP. Maybe, maybe not. Here we go. Andres, are you jumping in on a VWAP retest or what? Holding for confirmation. Here goes KSPN. Nope. Spiked up to all of these other candles. 474. $241 entry again. Okay. Kevin Bucilli. How are you doing today, Kevin? Did you take any trades? Any money? I'm down pretty big today, so I'm just watching now. I'm not revenge trading. I am not revenge trading no more. Sometimes I give myself one stab at it with an adequate share size, not get back to break even or green on the day, which works sometimes because I trust my consistency over a trade. Yeah, sniper trades that too. I feel like the trades are clear in the morning too, so that definitely would have worked out if it was earlier. I guess it did on this early run too. This would have been the place where it worked out. $2. So I think I'm gonna head off for today. It's already 11. Jofi is also gonna head out. See you tomorrow, Juan, and everybody else. I think I'm gonna head out, locking in a pretty big red day max loss. Not good trading. Yeah, the money hurts, but in this scenario, I think the trading hurt more. Trading with the opportunities that there was today. PLRX. Look at this. Just during market open, up 41%. All day, up 124%. Oh, I saw your message about that song. I forgot. Yo, this is fresh. Frick. Got my EQ open, perfecting the sound through my beats. In my trunk right now. Sniper trades logging in negative 300. Andres killed it today. Good job, Andres. Ow, my legs are so sore. I am down negative 2,000. red on July. Haven't had a single red month all year. So July is still pretty early. I think I could still turn it back around and make a green month, but it's gonna be hard to get a good month, especially if I'm gonna downsize my positions and then work on my consistency again. I've had four. I've had in the last. Hold on. In the last 30 days, I've had no. In the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. In the last 14 days, I've had 4 days over $1,000 loss. So maybe it's time to take it slow and get consistency again. My winning percentage was 73%. It's down to 71.9. So I'm gonna call it a day for it today. Traded terribly, I think. I traded terribly. It's on me. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate all of you guys being here. Take care, everyone. Hope tomorrow has better opportunities. Hopefully tomorrow makes money. I just want to see green tomorrow. I don't care if it's $3. I want to see a green P&L at the end of the day tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. Y'all have a good day. Good rest of your day. Thumbs up, John, Dark Trader. People on YouTube, thanks for watching. Kevin coming in a little bit later, and then everybody else. Appreciate you guys. It's just how I like my salsa. I need to finish it first in building. Maybe that's why I'm not learning, because it's incomplete yet. Still, it's incomplete, so I don't know. I can't finish it and know exactly all the secrets, man. I think it also is too. I'm messing with you, somebody. I'm kidding. I think that was well. Actually, I switched to full-time day trading, and I went. That was when I went the 20-something days in a row, which was like $8,000 or $10,000 in like those 20 days or something. So I had a good start, and then after that, it was yeah, from May all the way to June 22nd. I had 2 small days, and then after that, it was. You know what actually did it? Yeah, you should find it for me. You should find it for me. You know what I actually think did it? It was the Thinkorswim lag. That Thinkorswim thing. After that day, the next week I had 3 red days, which I've never. Oh, actually 4 red days. I've never had 4 red days in a row ever. And it was all exactly after that. And then today, I mean, I guess I'm sitting a week, 2 weeks after that, but still $2,000 loss. So I don't know. I gotta just get over it. I also feel like a little bit of it, not a big part of it, is streaming live. When I'm trading by myself, I have no feelings, no scared of being judged, no scared of being like, hey, why you take that trader, you know? So I was freely trading, and now that I have more people, I feel like I'm downsizing a little bit, being more careful, not jumping on the trades that I usually do and attack them strong. Maybe I could have played PLRX very strong today, and I just didn't. But I'm not blaming you guys. I have to get used to it, and I feel like I've been doing pretty good. I mean, it's not easy talking and trading and reading comments and stuff, but I appreciate you guys all being here. Holy crap, my voice was like raspy the whole time. I know I'm a broken record, but I think you get way too hung up on green and red days. I think I do pretty good. I think I did pretty good. Like today, I'm down 2,000. I'll come back tomorrow just normal, like trade normal tomorrow. But yeah, I mean, it's still maybe even though I think about it being okay psychologically and behind my head, it's still like, bro, you gotta be careful, man. But I know I get what you're saying. But that's it, guys. I'm not gonna stay here because I keep rambling on because you guys always hold me a little bit longer. I'm just kidding. But see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate all of you guys being here.